And then, so as a general relaxation procedure, you can give that. And then the third one is Bell's palsy. You know Bell's palsy? If there is a compression of facial nerve, either in the stylomastoid foramen, you have many reasons for the facial nerve to get compressed. Okay. So if any other reason would have, the facial nerve would have gone for compression, what will happen? There will be a paralysis of one side of the muscle, one side of the face. So you can see the deviation like this to the opposite side. So if you have a lesion here, the face will be pulled to the opposite side. Why? Because this side, see, if you want to keep your face in similar, okay, if you want to have a similarity in your both sides of your face, what happens? Both side muscle should work. If one side of the muscle is not working, what happens? The other side will go for overaction and then it will be pulled. Okay, it will be deviated. So, in those cases, facial Bell's palsy. Okay, so in those cases, the patient needs massage. So this is the indication. And what is the contraindication you check it? You check for local contraindication and general contraindications. What is the local contraindication?
Open wound.
Say if you find any open wound or any skin infection,
cancer,
or recent fracture, okay,
trauma.
fracture, and then
acne.
In case of acne vulgaris, if you have the patient is having a pimples,
yes.
And then hairy surface, hair.
You have to check.
Yes, you have to. Hairy surface is contraindicated. Okay. And see if you what is general contraindication you will check for. General contraindication means kidney failure, kidney diseases, heart failure, heart diseases, or if the patient is having any circulatory impairment. So you do not go with massage. Okay. So this is the indication and contraindication you have to check. Now what you do, you have to go for positioning the patient. So for face, you can position him supine. Okay. You can position him supine. And then the position of the therapist should be he has to stand beside the patient. Okay. Or what you call it as behind the head of the patient. Okay. And now actually he has to be, then you have to do draping. So all other areas should be covered, and then you have to use one hair band or one towel to make the hair proper so that it is not falling on the forehead.
Extra.
Okay. Yeah, like you can use a head strap or else towel will do. Towel, if you use towel, it can be fixed. Okay. So this is positioning and wrapping the patient. Okay, you have to cover the remaining areas.
Okay.
Now you have to again you take little powder. You take little powder, and then what you do? First you have to see which side the massage has to be given. Okay. For example, you want to give massage onto the right side. What you do? With one hand you fix the one side face of the patient. Okay. So one hand you're fixing the patient.
The not affected side.
Yes.
The not affected side you won't have to.
No, unaffected side should be stabilized. For example, you give deep technique, the patient may turn, right? So you stabilize the patient face by holding it on the opposite side, and then the other side you can perform massage.
Yeah.
Now, what sequence to be given? Give me the image. Okay, so actually for every region you have a sequence. Okay, so for facial massage you have a sequence. So you have to start with stroking. Stroking means this is superficial. Okay. So hereafter you remember that if I write stroking, that is superficial. If I write effleurage, that is deep. Okay. It will be like you will not be confused. Okay. If I write superficial deep, then so effleurage. Okay.
ذكرني بشيء.
And then you go for kneading.
ذكرني بالحمى اللي جبت تاكل في مطعم.
Kneading.
تطلع
This is
شوي.
the massage technique. And after every technique, you have to perform effleurage.
تخيل أضغط قاعد تعمل هذا.
After every technique, each and other technique, for example, is hacking. What else you can say? picking up. Okay, followed by effleurage again. So number 7 was hacking, followed by the effleurage. Number 9 was vibration. So this is the sequence. Okay, so this sequence has to be followed one by one. You have to do each and every different technique. You have to perform effleurage, deep effleurage. Because see, whatever you have done, there is a change in metabolism or else change in the base products that has to be eliminated then and there. Okay. See, for example, I'm going for perform on the right side. So what you do, you have to start with the stroking. Stroking, how you give? So stroking. So you can give from the chin to ear, and then from the lips to ear, and then from the nose to ear, and then from ear to forehead. So this. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so this is what is called as superficial stroking. After superficial stroking is over, you have to perform effleurage. Effleurage has to be performed from four different directions. Okay, one was you have to start from the chin, you have to give deep pressure, and then it has to be drained behind the ear because we have auricular lymph nodes behind the ear. Okay, so it's drained. And next from the lips, again you are taking it down into the behind the ear. And while you come, don't give any pressure. From the nose, you take it to the behind the ear. Okay, and then you're coming up from the forehead, you're taking it into the behind the ear. Okay, so this is what is the directions for effleurage. From chin, back of the ear. From lips, back of the ear. From the nose, back of the ear. And then from the forehead, back of the ear. So you have 4 directions. Okay, and next followed by what is that? Kneading. So kneading you can perform either thumb kneading or index kneading. So you start performing like this. You can give it. So how you give kneading? So kneading is performed with the pad of the finger. Okay, pad. You are using the pad. Okay, so you can give it over the muscles. Okay, you have to cover the whole muscular region. Okay. This is kneading. After that, again you go for effleurage. Again the same directions. Okay. So this is effleurage. After that, what you perform? Picking up. So picking up, perform where you have the muscle bulk, because he has very less muscle. So it's difficult. So it can be performed over the muscle bulk. How you do? Use the web. Then you pick up the muscle and then you. Okay, so this is known as picking up. So you don't need to perform over frontal region because we don't have a muscle mass. Maybe in the cheek you can perform. See, like this you can perform. After that, again you go for effleurage. Okay, again you go for effleurage. And then after that you go for hacking. Right? Hacking should be performed slowly. So you have to ask the patient, is it paining to them? Is it paining? You have to be very gentle. Okay, good. Okay. This is hacking. After hacking, again you perform effleurage. So effleurage in 4 directions, from chin, from lips, from nose, and then from the forehead into the. And then after that you go for vibration. So vibration where you give? So behind the ear. Okay. Use the tip of the finger. Here, vibration. This is vibration. So this is for the base. After this, give him some. After that, give him some rest and then send fixation.